I'm Kay, and today I am going to be opening the winter rock box. And I still haven't got my summer one, but I have my winter one. So let's see what's inside. I'm just gonna slide this because I can't undo a double snap. This may take a while. Literally looks like a present. Oh, 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 like, this is what the box looks like with the unicorn. This literally looks like a winter present. That was very loud. Over there. Now time to open the box. Now let's open it. What's in here? It's a little rock thing, like maybe like makeup bag where you can put all the rock makeup. What's inside? There's something inside. Ooh. So first we got a box inside, and inside that box is, I don't know because this thing is blocking. Let me untie this. Sorry. That's so cute. It's a little rainbow thing. It's a rainbow necklace. Oh God. It's a rainbow necklace. And it's so cute. Where's the top? There we go. And then what's next? Ooh, we got Girls Rock Cosmetics eyelashes. We got a heart keychain. This is Brock at the back, like the necklace that I had. Ooh, what is this? It is She Queen Super Lip Gloss. Or Super Gloss. Let's see if there's anything else in here. No. That was actually kind of cute. Alright. Huh. Got the note. And then look at, oh, this one. I can put it on my water bottle. And so can I do this one? They're so cute. Are you sure this is the winter one? This looks like summer. Here's the rock one. Whoa. We first have this, which, what is this? I think we could open it, but I don't know what it is. This is so cute. It's probably like another makeup bag. And it's unicorn. It's so cute. We got another box. I like these boxes. So cute. So little. Ice cream is like life. Enjoy it before it melts. They're earrings. It's just a little saying. Little black earrings that shine. I could wear it for the party, for Grandpa's party tonight. I could wear all this stuff. Oh my, yay! It's a cute little unicorn. Blue. I love all this stuff. kind of rainbowish. I have 2 of them like this, except they're different colors. Cool. Someone was a haircut. Yep, it's spray clean dry shampoo with some spray big hairspray. Sorry. And Annie Rocks, some conditioner, some oil, some more lip glosses. Dang. What is this?
Looks like makeup.
I want to open it. Oh, thank you. Trash. Okay. Okay, so the colors are on the back. It's like these little colors. Last but not least, your face is like, what in the world is all this? Okay, let me see how to open this thing. Oh my gosh, they gave me glasses and they look cool. Let me just figure out how to unbox them. Like that one goes there. This somehow goes over here. And they fit me perfectly. And then this is like a, and this is, I got some new glasses. I love this RockBox.
Okay, put it off.
So I really like this RockBox. It had a lot of different things that I've never seen, like glasses and necklaces and earrings and stuffies. And I really liked it, and I can't wait to see the next one because this one's really exciting. So bye guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Toodaloo.